Well, now that Leo AI has developed an Onshape integration, it's super exciting to see how that's going to be used by Onshape customers working with Leo AI. They'll be able to have it right in their Onshape experience, and most importantly, connected to their actual Onshape data. And I think we're going to see some of the traditional Leo AI benefit applications, like reasoning through design ideas, generating concepts, searching for parts, checking for correct part mating situations. But I also think we'll unlock new use cases that, frankly, we probably can't even imagine yet. Because Onshape is the only cloud native CAD and PDM system, we're super proud of that. We think it provides big benefits for AI applications in general, and we think that's going to shine through in our partnership with Leo AI with their new Onshape integration out there in the market.